Good day. Before I start, I would like to express my appreciation for visiting my video. Today I will be sharing some information on how to remove a Google account from Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime. So without further delay, we will start. So here is on the screen. Okay, so first thing is we just go to the setting. So this is the setting. Then after the setting, we can choose the cloud and account. Okay, so this is cloud and accounts. Okay, so after that, then we tap the accounts. Okay, so you will see number of accounts. So I want to delete this Google account, this one. So I will tap. Okay, so from here, this is the Google account that I like to delete. So I just tap remove account. Okay, so it's a warning message. It says removing the account will delete all its messages, contact, and other data from this device. So it asks us to continue. So since we are going to remove, we just click remove account. Okay, so you can see there's no more account here. Okay, so this is just a short video. I hope this video will be helpful and useful to those using Samsung Galaxy J7 Prime model. Until my next video, see you again. Goodbye. Bedankt.